So you've put a ton of time, work, and perhaps money into your Twitter operations. Now it's time to capitalize on it. Remember, this is not a one-time thing, so don't suddenly ruin all the work you've done by abruptly trying to sell stuff to all of your followers. It won't work, and you'll have wasted everything. Instead, make this the normal. Stick to the plan. Keep building your audience. Gradually and gently start seeking a return on this investment. Remember what we said about balance? How the useful and entertaining stuff should be the norm while the salesy stuff should be the exception? Well, it's time to start thinking about that exception. Although Twitter can certainly bring in sales, it's best to just periodically use it to build your list and familiarize people with your content and your off-Twitter presence. Post tweets that link to a landing page designed to generate leads. Invite people to read your blog posts or articles, or to watch your videos. If you insist on selling things from time to time, just try to keep it to a minimum and maybe limit it to special deals or exciting new products. Bottom line, make sure you set your sights on remaining helpful and engaged. Stick to your daily or weekly Twitter plan. Make sure you're posting things that are useful or entertaining. And every now and then, try to work in maybe a soft pitch for a sale, or more often, just try to generate leads, grow your community, and familiarize people with your content and your brand. So, with all that out of the way, let's get into your battle plan. This guide has been pretty exhaustive, but it doesn't mean a thing unless you act on it and remain consistent. To that end, here's a quick battle plan that should get you on your way to Twitter marketing success. Step 1, develop your marketing plan. Remember, you want to do this before you even start posting on Twitter. Step 2, set up your account to match your branding. Keep in mind, for some users, this will be their first impression of your brand, and you also want to keep it consistent with all your other social media platforms. Step 3, start implementing your plan with daily tweets. Again, you can rely mostly on a scheduling platform like Warlord Social Suite, but also try to get in there and do some real-time engagement and interaction as well. It'll pay dividends for you in the long run. Step 4, diversify your tweeting style and content to maximize engagement and follower building. Don't just always throw out textual tweets. Include images, include videos, ask questions in your tweets, use polls. Retweet people, cite people using the @ sign. Curate content from a blog or website and cite them as well. All these things will maximize engagement and follower building. Step 5, gently and subtly start achieving ROI by promoting your off-Twitter content, your free offers, and your special deals. The key word there is gently. Don't abruptly turn your Twitter account into an automated advertising platform. Stick to the plan, be helpful, useful, and entertaining, and gradually start achieving your return on investment by slowly turning your Twitter followers into leads and customers. So that's your 5-step battle plan. Don't do what most people do. Don't leave this course thinking, well, that sounds cool and I'll probably get to it eventually. Because guess what? There's a very good chance you'll just keep kicking this can down the road, and by the time you do get to it, you might have forgotten what you learned. The best thing you can do for your business right now is open up a Word document and start on step 1. Start putting down your marketing plan on paper, and then start implementing it today.